Joining us now, the Hoot team, Mrs. Soundarya Rajnigant Vishakan and Mr. Sunny Pokula. Thank you very much for your time. Congratulations on this platform from Chennai. And do you think voice is going to be the future?
Thank you for that, Sam. I personally believe voice has emotions that text don't. And I do think everybody wants to be heard, and to be heard in their own language is going to be very important. I believe 100% that voice is the future of social media, and I'm very happy that we have been able to launch Hoot today, which focuses on voice predominantly.
In a sense, you're competing with global giants, be it Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram. And do you think you will have that kind of a global reach now? But I think you have some 10 languages with 5 international languages.
Correct. Yeah, so right from the inception, we thought that this platform from India for the world is going to be built at a global scale. And that's the reason why you see 10 Indian languages and 5 international languages, and continue to grow. And we have a board of advisors that is constantly thinking of the future. And we're very, very positive that we will carve our own space using voice as the go-to the interface for rehumanizing the social media experience.
And no video, will that be a kind of a disadvantage?
No, I don't think so, Sam. I personally feel we are being very voice focused, and you do have platforms like Twitter, which are giants with 16 years old. They have an option of voice, but Hoot, we're very, very focused to keep voice as the main priority. We do have the option of adding an image which supports your Hoot, and also a brief description of 120 characters of what your Hoot is about. But that's just to get the attention. So if you are hooting with your face, so people know it's a Hoot from you, with your display picture and your name, of course. But we want to be very, very voice centric, and we wanted to keep it very simple for people to understand and not complicated with too many elements going on. So we're focused, and we're very, very keen to promote voice as the future of social media.
And you can mix cinematic experience by how Soundarya said, the BGMs. That's going to be a critical factor because as you know, just voice by itself, when you mix the right mood or ambient music to it, then it creates an experience that's everlasting.
Also, Sunny, in terms of tackling the challenges like fake news, misinformation, disinformation, hate speech, what have you put in place?
So we have all the protocols that the government has laid down. We are following that. But besides that, we are building some algorithms in AI internally, which will be able to pick hate speeches, which will be able to even do voice detection. You know, you can get quite complicated and complex with what you can do with technology. There are algorithms out there which can pick whether this is the right voice, is it mimicked. There are a lot of things that we can do, and we are working with some of the leading technology innovators across the world to be able to bring all those knowledges into the Hoot platform while we make this the most powerful platform from India for the world.
Dada Saheb Phalke Award from Rajnigant, so it's a kind of a double celebration at home.
It is. We're so proud of him, like every person in India and Tamil Nadu are. And it so happened that Appa did voice launch Hoot platform on the very same day that he did receive the Dada Saheb Phalke Award. So very grateful to God, and yes, we are going to celebrate today.
Lastly, how much did he work specially for Anathe?
Oh, of course, it's a very, very important film for us, and also because of COVID, the entire year, they couldn't film. So it's round the corner. So Anathe is coming to screens this Diwali, and Tamil Nadu has just opened 100% capacity in theatres as well. So we as a family are looking forward to celebrating Diwali with Anathe.
Thank you so much, Soundarya and Sunny. That was the Hoot team talking to us in Chennai with Suresh, Sam Daniel, Find TV.